Good morning, guys. It's day 3 of December rise and grind. I'm still feeling tired anyway. Let's head to the kitchen. I am going to make egg omelette. Let's start cracking the eggs. I am going to season it with black pepper, salt, and dried parsley for added flavor. I'm going to put half of onion, 2 slices of turkey ham. I like to add a bit of meat. I'm going to wash cherry tomatoes before chopping them. Let's start cooking. I'm going to use salted butter. I love cheese. I am going to add some grated cheese. Looks yummy already. Ha ha ha. I'm making coffee to wash it down. This is fun. Flip an omelette. Wow, perfect. It's a beautiful day. Let's start by brushing the leaves. After 2 hours, I'm done with my part-time job. Now it's time for shower and a hot cocoa with some squirty cream and marshmallows. I'm yummy yummy in my tummy. That's my day. Thanks for watching. Happy holidays, everyone.